And I do hope that you will enjoy this quick let's start all over again. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. This week's theme through our Facebook group is Pride Month, or Love is Love, and I decided to join in to support all of the communities that are identifying themselves with the Pride Month. And I personally do have many friends who do identify with the Pride community, and that's why I decided to join into today's collab and just to kind of celebrate everybody's way of loving other people. And I do hope that you will enjoy my manicure and the nail art tutorial itself. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, or you coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will also leave for you all the pictures at the end of my video and video links to the other ladies who joined into today's collab. And I do hope that you guys are all safe and sound. I know the situation right now is very complicated. It's not only because of the virus but also human rights, and that's why I also found that it was very important for me to join into this Pride collab. It is crazy out there, so I just wanted to quickly also mention that I do think of all of you who are out there struggling right now, and just know that I am here for you. If you would like to talk, please just feel free to reach out to me. And I do support all the communities, and I do believe that everything that is going on right now in the world is very, very important, and we do need to address it. So thank you guys so much for your support to my channel, because without you I would be just talking to myself on the camera. But I really appreciate every single one of you, and I hope I am also honoring all of you out there. So thank you so much guys, keep watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you, bye bye.